Alright guys, welcome to my video. This is how to disassemble an HP BS015DX laptop. Alright, let's start. We have, okay, first of all, let's remove the battery. Alright, now we have some screws to remove. We have one here, one here, one here, one here, and two here. Now that I just removed the battery. Alright, remove your optical disk drive. Now we have two more screws to remove up here. Alright, those were the last of the screws. Last of the screws that you can see. Now you have to, there are more screws hidden here and here. So you have to peel back these rubber legs, rubber feet, to access the screws. Because these rubber feet are held down with glue, I would suggest you only open them as much as you need. Don't try to take them off all the way. Only open it as much as you need. Okay, now we turn the laptop over. Now at this point, you can use a spudgie, I think that's what you call it, spudgie or spudly, or a flat card surface, flat credit card, debit card, something. You don't want to use a flat tip screwdriver because you will end up damaging your new toy. Look what I did here with this flat tip screwdriver. Yeah, don't be like me, kids. Use a spudgie or a card. We close the laptop, turn it over, and lift. Put your finger under the lid that you and ta-da! This is how you open the laptop. Okay, this is my second time opening it, and I opened it to replace the 1TB 5400 RPM hard drive with a 750 EVO 250GB SSD. Alright, shortly I'll show you how to reassemble the laptop. Alright guys, now to reassemble. I'm gonna take my cover, put it back on. And press down along the sides as much as possible. Press on the back, press down along the front. And now I'm gonna reinstall my screws. These screws were held together, the magnetic parts tree. I suggest if you guys are doing disassembly of laptops or you guys are building a computer in general, you guys should have one of these. This screw always gives me trouble. Right, and to finish it off, you would still have some open joints here. Just push them close. Ideally, this should be done before you start screwing in. Alright. Reinstall the battery. And ta-da! There it is. And that is how you disassemble and reassemble the HP 15bs015dx. Thanks for watching. Bye.